Cozy pose. If you're tired, come home. The light is still on. Sometimes the road feels endless. Sometimes the sky turns gray. You wonder if tomorrow will ever find its way. Every dream can lose its colors. Every heart can lose its fire. But even in the quiet darkness, hope can still burn brighter. If the stars disappear tonight, don't believe they're really gone. Clouds can hide the brightest heavens, but they never stop the dawn. If you ever lose your way, I'll leave the light on. When the night feels much too long, I'll keep the hope strong. Every step you couldn't see still brings you closer home. Feel the cozy pulse, you're never walking alone. Leave the light on. Keep moving on. Cozy pulse, shining bright, leading every heart back to the light. Maybe progress isn't louder. Maybe strength is standing still, learning how to trust tomorrow, even when you climb uphill. Every sunrise starts in darkness. Every river finds a sea. One more breath is all it takes to become who you can be. Every shadow has an ending. Every storm will lose the rain. Every heartbeat keeps reminding love can always grow again. Take your time, don't rush the morning. Every flower blooms in its own season. One more step, one more heartbeat, one more reason to believe. Cozy pulse, keep shining. Deep inside the future's waiting, with open skies. One day you'll turn around and smile at where you've been. Every broken moment made the strength within. Don't be afraid to trust the road unknown. You'll always find your way where the light is on. One breath, one hope, one light. Cozy pulse, keep believing, come home. If you ever lose your way, I'll leave the light on. When the world feels cold and far, your heart still belongs. Every dream you carry now will someday become your own. Feel the cozy pulse, the light will guide you home.